This video will show you how to sign up for an online payment plan with the Citrus County Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller. To begin, you will need to visit our website, www.citrusclerk.org. From our homepage, you can either select Online Payments and Payment Plans or Court Record Search. For the purposes of today and this video, click on Payment Plans. From this page, to set up a payment plan, you will click here for more information. This will take you to the payment plan application page where you will get started. You can review information below before you begin the application process. When you are ready to start, to apply online, click here. This will bring up our Secured Courts Online Record Search System, or SCORS for short. This is our court case database that has all of the information with regards to your court case. To find your case online, you can either search by your last name and your first name, by your traffic citation number, or by your case number. We are going to start by entering in your case number and then selecting I'm Not a Robot, and then click Search. The next page that will come up is all of the information associated with your case. If you are ready to begin, you can select Payment Plan Application at the top. If you would like to review a list of all the financial information, you may scroll down to that area on the page. Here you can see your total amount owed, amount that's already been paid, any fees that have been waived by the court, and your total amount due at this time. If you are able to pay this balance in full, you may do so by clicking the green Pay Balance Online button. To begin your payment plan application, you can click this button here. On this page is your welcome letter from our office, outlining the information in the agreement that you are about to enter into with our office. To select a party, your name should generate here. Please confirm your name listed here and click Continue. The next screen that will come up is where you will review your personal data sheet. Any information that is pre-populated in the fields is the information that has already been loaded on your case. Please confirm your first name, your last name, and a middle name if one has been entered. Then confirm your date of birth, your driver's license number, and an email address if you have one already filed with our office. If you do not, in order to receive a copy of your online payment plan agreement, you will need to enter an email address in this field. Next, you will go down to your contact information for your phone number. If you would wish to receive text reminders from our office with regards to any upcoming payments, you may do so by entering in your cell phone number here. You may also opt out if you choose not to receive any text messages. Please understand that standard text messaging rates may apply. The next area we're going to confirm is your mailing address. If we have to send you any documents in the mail, we will need to ensure that we have the correct mailing address on file. Please confirm your address and proceed to the income information section. This is where you will enter in any of your income information that you receive on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. For today, I'm going to enter in a monthly total. The next area in the payment plan is where you will need to select the calendar date that you want to start your monthly payments. Please note that your startup fee of a minimum $25 is due at the time that you start your application. Otherwise, you have 35 days to make your very first payment. You can do so by selecting the Calendar tab, and if you need to advance to the next month, you can do that as well. Select your date that you would like to have your full payment plan payment made, and select Generate Agreement. Please verify that the email address is entered correctly before you continue to the next screen. If it is correct, click Confirm. The next area that will come up is where you are going to electronically sign your payment plan application. You will enter in your full legal name as it appears on your case. The date of the application that you are working on will automatically generate in this field. If you would like to download an unsigned agreement for your records, you may do so by clicking on this link here. When you are ready to continue, click Sign Agreement. Please confirm that you have read and agreed to the before-mentioned contract on the previous screens. When you are ready, click Continue. This screen is where you will make your first payment of your administrative fee, the $25 that is due to initiate your payment plan agreement. You can pay online with our credit card vendor by clicking on this link here, or you can pay over the phone by calling 352-341-6424 and select option 1. Please note that our deputy clerks review all applications when they come in. If there are any questions, we will contact you. You can also call our office at 352-341-6424, option 8, if you have any questions. Thank you so much.